Anthropic just shipped Claude Routines, and if you already run automations on n8n or Make, the question is, which one do you actually use now? 3 tools, 3 different jobs, and you probably want all 3. The single biggest difference is how you configure them. With Claude Routines, you describe what you want in plain English. Every morning, read the main branch, check for dependency vulnerabilities, open a pull request that bumps them safely, run the tests. That sentence is the configuration. With n8n or Make, the same job is a wiring exercise, oauth scopes, connector nodes, field mapping, error branches, cron expressions, and nothing in that list is hard, but collectively, it is an hour of setup before the flow does anything useful. So when does each one actually win? Think of it as 3 questions, and the answer points you at one of the 3 tools, or sometimes all 3 working together. First is the work primarily reading or writing a codebase, that is Claude Routines, code review, release checks, dependency bumping. Second, do engineers own it and you need self-hosting or complex branching? That is n8n. Third, does a non-engineer own it and it is mostly SaaS glue? That is make.com, friendliest UX, broadest connector library. And when your flow needs reasoning somewhere in the middle, you drop a Claude routine in as a step inside n8n or Make. The overlap between these tools is smaller than it first looks. Routines for code-based brains, n8n for engineering glue, Make for SaaS breadth, and combine them where reasoning matters. The full decision tree is on the Academy blog. See you there.